Hi guys, how's it going? Do you really think you can speak in French? Let's see in this video. These 15 phrases might seem correct in French, but they'll make native speakers laugh or worse. Let's fix that. Je suis chaud. Je suis chaud. It's not a correct sentence. The correct sentence is j'ai chaud, j'ai chaud. Why it's wrong? Je suis chaud means I'm hot, but in French slang, it implies you're sexually aroused. It's not good. Je suis excité. Je suis excité. The correct sentence is je suis enthousiaste. Je suis enthousiaste. Or j'ai hâte. J'ai hâte. Why it's wrong? It sounds like I'm sexually excited, not I'm excited like in English. That's too bad. Je suis fini. Je suis fini is not the correct sentence. The correct sentence is j'ai fini. J'ai fini. Why it's wrong? Je suis fini means I'm done for, I'm ruined. Use j'ai fini to say I'm finished with something. Je suis bien. Je suis bien. The correct sentence is je vais bien. Je vais bien. Why je suis bien is wrong? You're using être instead of aller. Je suis bien refers to physical comfort, not I'm doing well. Il est un médecin. Il est un médecin. It's not correct. The correct sentence is il est médecin. Il est médecin. In French, we don't use an article before professions. J'ai besoin de. J'ai besoin de is wrong. Why? The correct sentence is j'ai besoin de. J'ai besoin de. Why it's wrong? Besoin is a noun. So you must use avoir, to have, to complete this sentence. Je suis 25 ans. Je suis 25 ans. It's not correct. The correct sentence is j'ai 25 ans. J'ai 25 ans. In French, you have age, not are a certain age. Je regarde pour. Je regarde pour. The correct sentence is je cherche. Je cherche. Why it's wrong? What's the problem with it? Regarder means to look at, not to look for. Use chercher for searching. C'est bon. C'est bon. In the wrong context. The correct sentence is c'est bien. C'est bien. When talking about performance, not taste. C'est bon means it tastes good. For approval or correctness, use c'est bien. Je suis confuse. Je suis confuse. The correct sentence is je suis perdu. Je suis perdu. Or je ne comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas. Je suis confuse means I'm embarrassed or ashamed, not confused mentally. J'attends pour toi. J'attends pour toi. The correct sentence is je t'attends. Je t'attends. Attendre already includes the object. You don't need pour. Je suis intéressé à. Je suis intéressé à. Je m'intéresse à. Je m'intéresse à. In French, you must use the reflexive form to express interest. Un autre fois. Un autre fois. It's wrong. The correct is une autre fois. Une autre fois. Fois, time, as in occasion, is feminine. To use une, not un. Je suis en colère contre toi pour. It's not correct at all. The correct sentence is parce que. Use parce que to explain a reason, not pour. J'ai allé. Je suis allé. The verb aller uses être as its auxiliary in the passé composé, not avoir. Don't forget that. Well done, guys. How is that? Which of these mistakes have you made before? Be honest. Let me know in the comments. Hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And please share this video to your friends who want to learn French. Thanks for your watching. Au revoir, mes amis.